to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to show you how today. Today we are going to make 5 Alarm BBQ Sauce. This 5 Alarm BBQ Sauce you can put on anything. I wouldn't suggest this to be a basting kind of barbecue sauce. Because we have cola in it, full sugar cola. I can't believe I'm saying this out loud, but it actually works and it turns out great and we don't go crazy here. So no additional added sugar, but we do have this. With how sweet it ends up, it would stick to the grill or anything, so not a great basting barbecue sauce, but let me tell you, this is the best dipping barbecue sauce. You can dip chicken. I mean, I would never dip a steak, but you could dip steak, you could dip, I'm gonna dip shrimp in it today. I'm gonna make this into a shrimp cocktail. So, anyhow, I'm gonna let your imagination go wild with what you can dip in here, but you can pretty much do anything you want. So we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. You can see it's very simple ingredients. This comes together very quickly, so let's get rolling. I like to have all my ingredients ready before we get started. We're gonna start with 2 teaspoons of canola oil and bring it to heat over medium-high in a saucepan. We're gonna add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion and 2 garlic cloves minced. And we're just going to saute this until the onions become a little bit more translucent, about 2 minutes, before now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of water. We're going to make sure that we keep our heat high on this because we want to bring it to a boil. We're going to also add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is a 1/2 cup of chili sauce. You can use any brand you can find in the store, from name brand down to your generic brands. And we're going to go ahead, this is going to be kind of our thickening agent as well as a wonderful flavor that's going to be in the background here. And then here comes that soda pop. So this is about 12 ounces of any cola you can find. Full sugar, you want to make sure. I can't believe I'm saying that once again. And then right here, I have chopped up a serrano chili. You can use jalapeño or serrano in this. We're going to make sure this comes to a boil, give it a nice good stir, and we want this to simmer till it reduces to about 1.5 cups, about 12 minutes. Once it's cooled a little bit, we're going to go ahead and pour it into our blender. I did not wait till it was very cool, which was not the smartest thing, but I advise that you do that. I'm just going to cover this for splatter reasons with a paper towel, give it a nice good blitz and make it nice and smooth. Honestly, the cooler the better on this. And once it's all blended, I transferred it to a bowl, and actually I put this in the fridge to chill before I assembled it with my little shrimp cocktail. You know, we joke about One Hot Bites around here, but this is One Hot Bite. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna take one of my little shrimps that I cooked up. It's so smooth. And then that heat creeps up in the background and you catch on fire a little bit. But it's not unbearable at all. It's really nice and smooth. The cola makes it sweet. That's the only sugar we added. This is One Hot Bite. So from my home to your home, thank you so much for being here. I will see you guys next time. We're gonna make cocktails again because I need a cocktail hour. So we're gonna make New York sours. I'll see you then.